Another beautiful young Jamaican social media influencer has been murdered again, ladies and gentlemen. This time it's Slickianna. Her name is Aneka Townsend, and investigators have fingered a young man. His name is Rushane Patterson, and this is another travesty in Jamaica, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings, greetings, and salutations, to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's Rastafari, Soldier of Deep Roots TV. And if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you, ladies and gentlemen, hit that red subscribe button. And we're going to have a great relationship. It's another tragedy that has hit the Jamaican community, ladies and gentlemen. Police has named a person of interest in the murder of Slickianna. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an unfortunate situation against a social media influencer has been identified positively. She was killed. An influencer, her name is Aneka Slickianna Townsend. The police are asking Rushane Patterson of Prosper, Hanover, to turn himself over to the Freeport Police Station. And this was yesterday, ladies and gentlemen, in accordance with the reports that's coming in from the major news report. We have Rushane Patterson of Prosper, Hanover, a person of interest in the investigation. We are asking him to turn himself into the police by 5 p.m. Commander of St. James Police Division, Senior Superintendent Vernon Ellis told member of the Jamaican media. Ellis also reported that a motor vehicle has been seized in relation to the police probe into this matter. Series of operations have been taken this morning in the neighborhood parish, and a vehicle have been recovered, he revealed. The 35-year-old influencer, who was from Waterloo Road in St. Andrew, was positively identified by her mother early Saturday morning. Townsend was also known as Kayan. Reports are that about 9 a.m. on Friday, persons went to the beach and discovered a particular body that was decomposing, floating in the water. The body was subsequently fished out the water from members of the Marine Police. There has been an outpouring of love on Townsend's social media page, as commentary all over social media are shocked by the news. Now the investigation continues as we reveal that there was a previous relationship with Patterson and Slickianna. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a heartbreaking situation again, as Donna Lee, is still missing, and her murderer, Noel, is still in prison. It is a gruesome and an unheartening moment for families to miss such a beautiful young lady and for our savagery that she went through. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari, Soldier of Deep Roots TV. I'm speaking out on the violence against women, children, elderly, and violence at all in Jamaica. It's time now we as a community get together and make Jamaica safe again. Hit that red subscribe button, leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen. I'm reporting here live. Slickianna has been murdered, and they have named a suspect in Rushane Patterson, and they're asking for him to turn himself in. Rushane Patterson from Prosper, Hanover. If he's guilty with this is not the first time his name has been entangled with this kind of, behavior. because it's being reported that he had similar incident back in 2017 and the prime witness did not show and the case was dismissed. So ladies and gentlemen, I did a report on the sociopath and psychopath in Jamaica, and I've been telling you over and over, there are mass killers in Jamaica, psychopathic killers, abductors, and all kind of different kind of criminals that find safe haven in the island of beautiful Jamaica. It's a pandemic of crime and a culture of heinousness. Hit that red subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari, soldier of Freeport TV.
Welcome to Freeport.
It's unfortunate. Another beautiful young woman.
Respect, make sure to tune in the air.
Destroyed. Taken away from us. It's unbelievable. We have no love. We have no care. Just